loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick unboxing of a sweater that I got from this brand called Trendt Vision. So Trendt Vision, I think I'm saying that right, is a German clothing brand. I'll put their Instagram handle here, and I'll also put their links down below if you want to check them out. And I actually found out about them through Pinterest. So what happened is I saw this photo on Pinterest and really wanted to know where the sweater was from. So I commented on the post. I was like, where's this sweater from? But nobody responded to me for like days. I think maybe like over a week. And so then I just started to do snooping of my own. Luckily, the girl's Instagram that was in the photo was linked, and so I just checked out her Instagram and tried to see if I could find the photo that I found on Pinterest. But I couldn't. Y'all, I'm telling you, it was taking me a long time to figure out like where she posted this photo on her Instagram. But turns out I was actually just blind. So when I did actually find the photo that I saw on Pinterest on her Instagram, I was able to find the brand name, which was Trendt Vision. And I checked them out on Instagram, and it turns out I checked at exactly the right time because they were literally dropping their clothing line the next day. So that's how I ended up with this. So Trendt Vision has quite a few lines or like collections that they've had in the past, but this sweater that I got is from their Storm Hunter collection. So let's open it up. I already took out the tape that was holding the box together just for easier access, but I think the box itself is already cute. It has a brand name on it, and it's one of the boxes that you like lift this way, which I think is nice. And then it has all the labels and packaging on the bottom of the package. I guess it's nice if you're in Germany and you order it and the box will look a lot nicer, but since I bought it and they were sending it all the way to New York, the box has seen some things. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got, oh, I hope you didn't. It's got my receipt, which has my address on it. But yeah, it's just the receipt of what I bought, which is just the one item of the sweater, and I got it in a size small. It says something in German that I don't know what it says, but I am assuming just says like thank you for your purchase, I guess. So there are no stickers. The downside is there are no stickers. I've seen like a few people order packages from Trendt Vision and then they have like stickers and stuff in their boxes, but sadly there are no stickers in my box. They do have this card with the brand name on it again. Oh, and it just says, thank you for your purchase. Your trust in Trendt allows us to follow our visions, which is cute. It's got the Instagram handle and their website on the card as well, so if you guys want to see that, I'll be putting everything down below anyway if you can't see it, but just know that it's there. So this is the actual sweater. Oh gosh, this is a sweater. It comes in a recycled bag that you can unzip. And this is the sweater. It comes with like parchment paper in between the folding, so I'm gonna just take that out. But this is the sweater itself, which I don't know, it's cute. Obviously it's the exact same sweater that I saw on Pinterest, so that's really cool. But as you can see, it has the brand name on it, so Trendt Vision, and then their collection name, which is Storm Hunter 2. These words are embroidered, but the actual graphic design, which is like of a hurricane, I think, is like part of the knit. So it's knitted, it's not embroidered. But yeah, like I said, I got it in a size small. The inside is kind of like this, the black and cream color. I think this color is more like a cream, like an apricot color. It has a little bit of a yellowish tint to it. What was the other thing that I was gonna say? I don't remember. It's meant to be oversized, so the actual thing that happened is I bought this in a size small, but I wanted a size extra small, but I guess I took too much time entering all my information to actually buy the extra small that it literally went sold out before I could check it out. So I had to go with the size small instead. And because the brand is more like unisex for men and women, but I think I've seen more like men buying a lot more of their like clothing and stuff like that. And the fact that also the sweater itself is a little bit oversized, I thought I would size down for like a better fit, but I guess we'll kind of see how this size small fits instead. But it was all that I could get. So let's go ahead and try this on and see how it fits. Also, side note is that if you couldn't already tell, it is more on the crop side, but not like super cropped. Again, that was also kind of hard for me to figure out like what size I needed in that sense also. But it looks really nice and it's soft. It looks like it's a really quality knit, which is also really good. It's got a bat wing also, if you couldn't tell, but yeah. I really like the graphic on it too. This is also another reason why I was like, I really want to buy this sweater, is because I think the graphic itself is something that's really unique. I mean, there are a lot of knit sweaters out there that can have like cool and interesting designs, but I just think that this one itself was pretty unique. The design I think is a little bit more like nature-y, which is also why I really liked it, because I love nature. I am in like a science/environmental ecology field, so I thought it would be cool to have this sweater. I just think it's cool, that's all. Now I'll be kind of showing you how you can pair the sweater with different pants. Honestly, the really nice thing about the sweater is how it looks with a variety of different pants. So whether that's leggings, jeans, even cargo pants if you have them. Overall, the sweater looks really good paired with almost anything. I think maybe the extra small probably would have worked better for me, but the small is just fine. So I'm pretty much satisfied. I don't think I mentioned though, because the brand is from Germany, the price is in euros. So their original pricing for this sweater was 99 euros, basically around 99 euros. So converting that to US dollars and then also including shipping, the total for me was like about $150. Like, this is the most expensive article of clothing that I paid with my money. So there's that. I think they sell other things too. You can go check out their website and check out other things that they've sold, but they have like bomber jackets, hoodies, shirts, and cargo pants. I think they're also coming out with new cargo pants that they're designing, so if you are into cargo pants, stay tuned for that and keep track of what they're coming up with, because they also have really cool cargo pants as well. And I think I'm going to be kind of keeping my eyes out for other clothing stuff that they will drop, and maybe you will too. But until then, until next time, bye. That's really good. Until next time, folks. I don't know why I keep calling you folks like you people are old, but yeah. You got time, it's fine, 'cause you're out of